like these three figures over here. But like they're on the dock edge or on those poles that
Yeah.
are in the water.
Yeah, so they're away from the water, aren't they? They're
Yeah,
that's
pole, or they're usually birds will sit on those poles.
yeah.
Or it could be the edge of the I don't know, the way they put a barrier sometimes.
Yeah, like a bulkhead.
Yeah. Could be that.
Yeah. Yeah. The you see how the boat is split in two there on the bottom right?
Yeah.
And
Even looks
it's
like it's broken right here, like the wood fraying. Well, that's part of this lion person.
oh yeah. Now I see the boat just as those two pieces on the right side.
Okay.
Just right there.
Yeah. And going over here.
No. Um, so it's if you're on the far right side in the bottom, do you see that brown shape that's sort of curved?
This one?
That's one piece of the boat, and it's broken, and part of it's sunk down into the water. And the bow of the boat is sticking straight up. The you know
Oh,
the
yeah. So
and
you
then if
see the second half
yeah, the second half is over on the right.
over here?
Yeah. So it's broken in two.
Yeah. I see
And
it.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, I had this whole boat. I had it, this was the boat.
Oh my no.
Yeah. Yeah,
Those
that
are
does look like a boat.
like one of those uh, oh Viking ship or something like that. It's not a big boat,
Mm-mm.
but it's split in two, and the the left part of it is kind of going down into the water, and the right part of it is still floating, but it's broken off. It's broken in half. So that's those three figures that you mentioned that are standing up on that bulkhead um, are are looking down at that, or watching that, or kind of safe from it. And then on the other side, well, kind of in the middle, that big figure in the middle that's goes is the tallest figure.
This,
No, the one to the left of that, that is the biggest one. It goes way up high. Yeah, that figure. Yeah. Do you see how it's sort of grounded in that messy area down at the bottom?
yeah,
It's yeah, there's some kind of blue,
dirt's
blue,
been tossed a little bit, or
yeah. And then there are, maybe they may be tree trunks or other figures. But there's one figure there below the, let's see, the one just to the left of that biggest one that we just talked about. Yeah. If you go down from there, do you see that blue figure right there? That blue figure
Mhm.
looks like um, it's sort of stretched across the ground to the right. See how it goes?
Yeah,
Yeah, there's
it's there.
yeah, that's not part of it. You see the belly button?
Yeah, it kind of looks like another monkey.
Yeah, yeah. And then look at that um, gorilla just to the left of that blue figure. Go to the blue figure's head there, and then go to the left, and you'll see the gorilla right.
Not here.
No, it's down on the ground. Go to the left a little more. There, that's the feet of the gorilla. So if you come up to
This,
its head,
oh, look,
that,
there's right there.
that's the arm.
Okay.
And then if you go up, you'll see its head right there.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
We're seeing the back of the gorilla, and the gorilla's head is turned to the right.
Mhm.
See that?
Yeah, I see it now. So this is the head and the arm,
Yeah,
body and legs.
yeah. But it was the head and neck that sort of stood out to me, and then the arm, that left arm.
You're good at finding tiny ones.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. Do you see this face here? The eyes,
Yeah, I do.
eyebrow, and the nose. And
Yeah, it's sort of lying facing up.
yeah.
Or I see a face facing down too. See the nose?
Here?
That's the nose. That's the nose of the face facing down. And see the mouth to the left of that. That's the eye. And the mouth is on the left side of the nose. That's the mouth.
Yeah. See, I see.
Yeah. But you saw a face facing up from there. Just what would be the back of that face is where I think I see the face that you were seeing.
Mhm. There's a little conehead alien right here. There's his face, eye, nose, mouth.
Oh
He's
yeah.
to the left.
Uh-huh. I see that.
It's up like a cone.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh, a conehead.
Where's the eye of the cone head?
Um, let's see. Right there.
Right there. Yeah. So yeah, I see that. And I see another
Oh,
face here
yeah, another one.
where the eye's up higher. So go to the eye of the face that you see on the cone head. And now go up on that cone until you come to that's an eye that I see. And
Yeah.
then the eye that you saw is sort of like the nose of that figure.
And this guy's nose is here.
Yes.
Mouth is
There's
here.
the nostrils. Yeah. Yeah. And do you see anything in that red face underneath of the violet? Yeah, that figure, it's that figure with the swirls in it.
Is it this one here?
No, over to the right.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
lion type head.
Lion's head.
Well, it could be a lion's head.
Yeah, I see several different possible faces there. There's that white area looks like an eye.
This
Yeah.
one?
Yeah, that looks like an eye. And then if you go up a little to the right of that, there's another eye there, and that's on a different face. And then if you go up to the right of that eye, there's another eye. Go up from there, now down a little bit. There, that's an eye. But they're all part of different faces.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like a Picasso painting where he has all the faces kind of
Yeah.
twisted and out of joint.
Hmm. I see this now.
Yeah, you see the how the eyes create a separate faces.
Yeah. I like these background colors. Girls.
Yeah.
They look like, I don't know, something's really special in the sky. Look at this ripple. You made different colors with each block.
What do you mean? Where?
This yellow pole here,
Yeah, that yellow brush stroke. You see different colors in that.
like here, can you see my thing?
Yeah.
Here and here,
Uh-huh.
here. Every rock is different.
Yeah, they're all different. So you see them as a pile of rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And remember that's, yeah, it's just was that, what's that color? Yellow. Anyway, I just kind of pushed my brush in and out on the way up, or on the way down. I think I started up top. And it's because there's more paint in certain of those areas that make it look darker or lighter.
Mhm.
But that is interesting.
I'm still trying to think of the name for yellow.
Yellow ochre.
Yeah,
Yellow ochre.
that's it.
I forget that too. What have you got there?
It's black. I thought it was going to be yellow. It's, anyway.
Well, black is pretty close. Yeah. All right, Catherine, let's stop there.